Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the First Descendant not launching on Steam problem. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of four steps. The first step, if you have overclocking your GPU, then you just need to try resetting BIOS and make all settings default, and downgrading the GPU is the best option because I found out that this game will literally utilize 100% of your CPU, and if your system don't have the best cooling solution, it will crash guys. So you just need to downgrade your CPU. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it, select browse. You just need to go to this PC, local disk C, program files x86, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, the first desistant folder. Select the first desistant.exe application and select add. After adding the game, select option and select high performance and select save. After that, just close stuff here. The third step is to update your graphics card. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just close stuff here. The fourth step is to add a launch option and verify integrity of game files. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, go to library, right click on the first desistant and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it. This launch option actually worked for more people on Reddit. Select the installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting verified, and you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.